Hello everyone, this is Radu from YouCanBookMe support, and today we're going to talk about mutual availability. Super simple, super quick. Let's get into it. So what do we have here on the screen? We have our page settings on the right, and we have our integrated calendar, Google in this case, on the left. Now, as you can see over here, we have our availability chosen from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And as you can see over here on the left-hand side, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., we do have some events, but we do have two available times. We can confirm this by going to our booking page and observing that we do have two available times. Now, at the present time, we're only looking at one, which can be changed by going into the Who section and selecting a second calendar or third, fourth. You can choose as many calendars as you wish. When doing so, and when using repeating availability, what's going to happen is YouCanBookMe is going to look at only the times that are available on both calendars or all calendars, as it were. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to reveal what's going on here on YCBM Support 2. And as we can see, we have an event at 11 a.m. Now, what's going to happen on the booking page is we're only going to see the available time that is available on all calendars, which in our case is both calendars, YCBM Support and YCBM Support 2. So let's give this a try and see exactly what's going to happen. What we're going to do is we're going to reload here, of course. And as you can see right now, we no longer have the 11 a.m. time available. We only have the 12 p.m. So when looking at a larger number of calendars in repeating availability, that's right here, repeating, YCBM is only going to display the times that are available on both calendars. For any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This was Radu from YCBM Support, wishing you a great day.